ayan po, try natin. Ay, look at that. It's very, very yummy. Sarap. Sobra sarap, guys. Ayan na po. Try nyo po. Ano nangyari? Sarap. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today I'm going to make cinnamon roll. So, this is all the ingredients I have. And samahan niyo po ako guys sa aking munting kusina para matuto. Okay guys, I have this instant yes. I will use only half of this. Okay lang. Okay guys, I have this warm milk and yes, so I have to put only half. Okay, so already half. So I have to mix this one. And then I have to put the powdered sugar. A pinch of salt. One egg. Melted butter. Okay, so I put this one now. Okay guys, I already washed my hand and I put some oil, olive oil. So I have to touch this one para it looks good. Okay guys, because it's so sticky, I have to add more flour. Okay, so we have to leave it for 30 minutes guys and put cover. Update later. Okay guys, mag-mix ako ng para sa yun sa dough mamit for cinnamon. Ito yung brown sugar, 1 cup. Tapos 1 teaspoon ng cinnamon. At teaspoon, tablespoon. Tapos you have to mix this one. Ito yung dough. I already wash my hand and put some oil. Oh, lagyan natin ito, butter. Bakit natin? Tapos lagyan natin yung butter. Okay, tabi muna natin ito. Balik tayo dito. Tapos, ito yung mixture ng cinnamon at brown sugar. Lagyan natin dito. Okay, we have to roll this one. Okay, so this one. Okay. Okay guys, ito, we have to leave it for 1 hour and then we can put in the oven and cover. Okay guys, ngayon is already 1 hour. Look at that. So now I have to put this in the oven. I have to put for at least 25 to 30 minutes, something like that. Okay guys, now I'm going to make cream for my cinnamon. So I had to use this one, butter, powdered sugar, and 5 scary cheese. So okay guys, now I'll put this one cheese, and I'll put the butter. Ito yung extra kanina sa cinnamon. You just have to put here. And now I have to put the powdered sugar. Okay, and then you have to blend. Okay, now I have to cover this one and blend. Okay, ito. Mayroon pa dito banda. Need to mix more. Guys, if you have vanilla, you can put also, but I don't have for now. So I just want to put, because too much creamy, I have to put a little bit milk. Okay guys, ito na siya. It's not very creamy. The texture is good. Look at that. Okay, so this is it. But have to put on the top of the cinnamon dressing. The cream na ginawa ko, the one I make, and so I have to put here dressing. Ay. Ano ba yan? It's okay. Ay. Ayan na guys, super yummy, may cinnamon.